Alright, so today we are knocking over the barn with the excavator. Can we go inside? Can I go inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Moldy. Daisy, use it away. I'm gonna take one last picture.
There was 2 beams here, but they kicked them out, and this floor is broken. So it's all mold and shit.
Yeah, it is pretty moldy. Does it hold water out anymore?
Nah, I don't think so. Well, I mean, it's been raining. And this isn't necessarily.
I mean, it's not too bad in here.
Watch out, there's holes in the floor and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that board is covering a hole.
Oh wait.
The board that I'm standing on?
Yeah, and there's a hole
Hold on.
here.
But see how this mold? It's cut down.
Yeah, it looks like it's ready to go by the looks of it. Look at this beam right here. It's already cracked.
Sure. So it's really not that safe in here.
So we probably shouldn't be
You shouldn't
standing in
be
here
right.
very long.
Right.
No, it's fine. It's still
I mean, I
pretty
think
sturdy.
it probably is pretty
I
stable.
could probably walk across that.
Oh no, no. Don't do that, freaks me out. Don't do that, freaks me out. Let's get on.
Alright. So she's coming down. One way or another.
This is large.
Get it.
How big?
You want it?
How big?
It's gonna be a big hole.
Oh man. It's moving though. Thumb it. Stick it in. Oh man, dude. That's awesome.